Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium School, Standard 7, Subject General Science, Lesson number 8 Static Electricity, and video number 15. In this video, we discuss what is meant by electric charge, some activities to detect electric charge of an substance, what is meant by repulsion and attraction, and what is meant by frictional electricity. So first one we take what is meant by electric charge. All substances are made up of very tiny particle. Electric charge is an intrinsic property of this particle. In this way, electric charge is abundantly present in always hidden state. This is because two opposite type of charges are present in equal number in all these substances. When the positive charge and negative charge on an object are balanced, the object is neutral, there is a no net charge on object. If these charge are not balanced, the object said to be charged. That is means by electric charge. Then one activity is given to detect what is meant by repulsion and attraction. First one, take two rod, one is plastic rod and one is glass rod, and one free suspended glass rod. Rub the glass rod first with the silk cloth and plastic rod with the woolen cloth, and bring near to the suspended rod. First one, you see that the two rod push each other away, and in second position two rod pull towards each other. Two rods carrying similar charges push each other away, this is called as repulsion, and two carrying opposite types of charges get pulled toward each other, this is called attraction. Then what is the origin of the electric charge? All substances made by particle very tiny atom. All atom contain stationary positive charge and margin moving negative charges. Atom is vertically neutral. When certain object rub against each other, negatively charged particle of an object go to the object, then object is negative charge due to the excess negative charge. Similarly, the object from which negative charge particle go become positive charge particle, so one become positive charge and other become negative charge. Scientist Benjamin Franklin named the electric charge positive and negative charge. Then next point is what is meant by frictional electricity. The electric charge generated by friction is called frictional electricity. This charge is produced only at the place of friction, hence it is called as static electricity. It remains of an object for a short duration, and one activity is given. Take one bottle, few straws and woolen cloth. Place the straw on the bottle, take another straw near it and observe what will happen. Leave the straw on the bottle as it is. Rub the other straw against the woolen cloth and take it near to the straw on the bottle. Observe what will happen. Now take the straw and rub them against woolen cloth at the same time. Keep one of the straws and bottle take away from the near to the it. See what will happen. So you see that electrically charged object attract uncharged object. There is a repulsion between like electric charges and there is an attraction between unlike electric charges. Hence repulsion is used for testing, identifying an electrical charge object. And one experiment activity is effect of electric charge, that is the aluminum ball and balloon. As shown in figure, an opposite charge is generated in other object by induction of both objects get attracted to each other. Then various small activities are given in which balloon, ball pen refill, eraser, wooden roller, steel spoon and copper strips are used, and material use this for rubbing. And what is the effect of this? Whether paper pieces get attracted towards this material, or does the object get charged, yes or no? That is can be detected by this small experiment. Then next point is the comb attract toward the paper piece of the paper, and the flowing tap of water will be attracted toward the comb. In this activity, you see that at the first flowing water is not charged. When negatively charged comb come near to the flowing water, the negative particle in its near to the comb are pushed away. The part become positively charged due to the deficiency of negative charge. The comb has negative and water has positive charge. Due to this, The comb attraction between opposite charge, the flowing water is attracted toward the comb. When the comb is taken away, the negative particle in flowing come back to their original position and positive and negative become equal in number. As a result, water become uncharged and stop getting attracted to the comb as it is away from it. Then about 2500 years ago, Greek scientist named Thales found feathers are attracted toward the rod yellow colored amber which has been taken rub against the woolen cloth. Amber is called as electron, and the Greek language therefore the property of amber is attract things was named electricity. Please like, subscribe. Thanks.